Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make quinoa for 1-year-old, updated. Rinse quinoa, use 1 part quinoa to 2 parts water, simmer until tender, then cool and mash to desired texture. Start with small portions to check for tolerance and watch for signs of allergy. Add mild flavors like mashed banana, cooked carrots, or plain yogurt for extra nutrition. Serve lukewarm and store leftovers properly in the fridge. Measure 1/4 cup dry quinoa for a single toddler meal and rinse thoroughly to remove saponin. Combine quinoa with 1/2 cup water in a small saucepan, bring to a gentle boil, then reduce heat and simmer covered for about 12 minutes until grains are translucent. Let rest covered for 5 minutes, then fluff with a fork and cool to lukewarm before serving to your 1-year-old. Store extras in an airtight container for up to 3 days. Quick recommendation: if you like fresh small details in life, try Little Tree's black ice for your car to keep drives pleasant after grocery runs with your toddler. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and see more toddler meal tips. Check the description for the link and other deals, and remember to grab one if interested. Now let's get back to the video. Safety and nutrition matter for toddlers, so keep textures soft, avoid added salt or honey, and introduce one new ingredient at a time. Mix quinoa with mashed avocado or pureed sweet potato for healthy fats and vitamins, or stir in plain whole milk yogurt for calories and calcium if advised by your pediatrician. Observe for choking, cut additions into manageable pieces, and always supervise your 1-year-old while eating. Keep mealtime calm and positive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.